Perfect Cover is a trusted brand for floor protection for every construction or renovation job. In addition to our standard and breathable solution, we offer a specialist line with Tevesi Absorbi Pro, Perfect Cover Extra Strong and Perfect Cover Fire Retardant. Tevesi Absorbi Pro is a super absorbent cover fleece inspired by the well-known yellow cleaning cloths. The color provides extra visibility and the fleece can absorb 7 to 10 times its weight in liquids. Also perfect for preventing dirt from being trapped inside. For environments with extreme loads, the 3-layer Perfect Cover Extra Strong provides maximum shock absorption and protection. This robust cover fleece is completely liquid tight and resistant to mechanical damage and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Ideal for construction sites, long-term renovations, industrial applications, and intensive use throughout your project. For projects with high fire safety requirements, Perfect Cover Fire Retardant provides reliable protection for both floor and surroundings. This self-adhesive and flame-retardant cover fleece meets the B1 fire standard and helps to slow down the spread of flames. Ideal for extra safety in construction, renovation and maintenance in, for example, hospitals, hotels and public or historic buildings. All variants are self-adhesive, leave no adhesive residue and are suitable for hard, smooth and well-dried surfaces. These variants are not suitable for recently laid or moisture-sensitive floors. Want to know more? Visit our website.